Hello, my name is Aldi Rudiansyah. Here I will present my journal entitled by Monitoring Prototype, Baby Monitoring Prototype. Here are some of discussion that will be discussed. The first discussion, Introduction. In the first discussion, we'll discuss about how important safety is to the baby, then what is used in making prototype. In the second section, here describe some reference used to assist in prototyping. In the third section, this is time we will discuss the result and discussion, which is this discussion covered baby monitoring block diagram, process block diagram, creating and installing RPA cam, and finally system testing. And in the fourth section, the last section is the conclusion. Content. The first is introduction. Explain the basic security and the purpose of the prototype. 2. Previous research. Discuss previous research related to the prototype is being made. 3. Result and discussion. Describe what tools and program are used in making prototypes. And 4. Explain the result conclusion. Introduction. Security system on monitoring a room or suspicious activity is important, especially in the home and around the environment. The high crime rate in the death and kidnapping, moreover, if there is a baby in the home, the need for extra supervision of a baby is needed, starting from monitoring the baby activity to reduce accidents that could have occurred due to lack of supervision. In this prototype, the implementation used some tool components such as Raspberry Pi, Raspberry Camera Noir, and DHT22. Previous research. Point 1. On literature review. The study was conducted to create a security system to maintain the safety of room using a Pi camera as room monitor and peer sensor implanted in place of ordinary people passing or a sensor to capture movement. Point 2. Besides a Raspberry Pi, camera module was used as substitute for CCTV as a room monitor, where peer sensor as motion detection and Raspberry Pi process both modules, then the camera only perform recording when there is a movement or activity. Point 3. Moreover, a security system on the door of the building to be able to know who would have a belly button on the door by using a web camera, Telegram application, and Raspberry Pi, and security system against the building with the use of IoT. In its manufacture using the Pi camera, peer sensor, IR sensor, Raspberry Pi, LED buzzer, DC motor. Point 4. Furthermore, a tool to measure their temperature and air humidity using a DHT22 sensor, Raspberry Pi, and save the data to the MySQL database using a Python language that can be accessed to display that with a web browser. The security tool to the room of public facility using Raspberry Pi programmed using Python language to detect face and capture image in this real time. Point 5. ATM machine was equipped as well for the security of the action by using a USB camera, Raspberry Pi, web server page, peer sensor, GSM DC motor, and power supply unit. Result and discussion. The first, baby monitoring block diagram. Explain the block diagram. The 2. Process block diagram. Describe the sequence of the block diagram process. 3. Creating and installing RPA cam, program installation process. And the last, system testing. Do a test on the program. This is a baby monitoring block diagram. In the fan monitoring system to be created, have the input in from a module, the DHT22, to measure the temperature of the room, and the input of the room temperature from the DHT22 sensor with the form of data displayed on a ThingSpeak website. that is based on the IoT, where such website can be used to store data controlled by Raspberry Pi. Figure 3 can be seen as the input Raspberry camera Noir, the board Raspberry Pi that further control the output of the display of the website access through the IP the Raspberry using laptop through the browser. Next, process block diagram. Process to work EA the first time through on the Raspberry Pi connecting the adapter as power Raspberry Pi, then the Raspberry Pi will determine the existing port on the board to be used according to the program that has been set. Then it performs the processing of running the camera, sensor temperature, and displaying it on the website. On the website, we can see the image displayed by the camera and can check room temperature using the DHT22 sensor. Then we can also set to take picture and do video recording. The result can be directly stored, or we can also activate the motion detection feature, which when there is suspicious movement, then the camera will automatically record, so that it can reduce the use of storage too much. It is because the camera will only do something that moves within the camera range. Next is creating and installing RPI Cam. Step 1. Downloading RPI Cam interface application program first. Step 2. Extract files into Raspberry Pi. Extract the program into Raspberry Pi and make sure the location of the program file is separated, which is it can configure. Step 3. Finally, the RPI Cam interface can be used. Next, set up Raspberry Camera Noir and DHT22. Set up Camera Noir in this series on Raspberry Pi. Camera Noir just by connecting the camera on the port part of the camera that has been provided the Raspberry Pi. Then the camera is ready to use. So, in the figure, show the Raspberry Pi which will be attached with Raspberry Pi Camera Noir. And next, set up the DHT22. The installation process of the DHT22 sensor is by way of VCC connected with pin 3V3, then in ground connected with the ground pin on the Raspberry Pi, and in the S data is connected to the pin GPIO 024 Raspberry Pi. Figure 7 show how the DHT sensor is attached to the Raspberry Pi board. And the next, system testing. Explain about how it works. Point A. Access RPI Cam interface. The testing was carried on by the open IP address of Raspberry Pi on web browser using the same network, and the testing was successful. Figure X shows the testing result, where the web browser saw the result of the image transfer from the Raspberry Pi board using Raspberry Pi Camera Noir. B. Running Raspberry camera. The testing was carried on by next step testing from the first testing by taking pictures, recording videos, and check the quality of the camera. Result and the testing was successful. Figure 9 show the testing result. And next, testing the DHT22 sensor. The testing was carried on by accessing ThinkSpeak to see the data of air temperature and air humidity, which was sent by the DHT22 sensor, and the testing was successfully. Figure 9 show the testing result, where the air temperature is shown in the left graphic and humidity is shown in the right graphic. Conclusion. First, based on the research conclusion, the baby monitor equipment designed using Raspberry Pi can work properly, but still has a shortage of them can only be accessed using local area network. It is recommended to be developed again to use the public IP so that it can be accessed anywhere and anytime. And point 2, using Raspberry Pi attached with Raspberry Pi Camera Noir as image input and the DHT22 sensor as air temperature and humidity input proof help as monitoring security system for monitoring the baby security. Moreover, the implementation using Raspberry Pi is affordable and thus not too much investment.